In this component, we're going to look at the if-else statement, another form of conditional statements. And we're going to have starting out the same look of the flowchart. The thing is to remember, you want to do a flowchart so you're able to see how the syntax needs to be, how the control syntax. Otherwise, you're going to spend a lot of time troubleshooting, trying to figure out why your code is not working correctly. So once again, we have a diamond shape, which is going to be a decision, so it's some kind of condition. Our rectangles here are going to be to perform some certain specific block of code or a certain element to execute. So as you can see, it's basically starting out as a simple if statement. So we still have our test expression, and then if the test expression evaluates to be true, then we're going to do the body of the if. So once again over here, we have our test expression followed by the colon, and then this is going to get evaluated. And this time what we're including is an else for the false. So that means that something else, another block of code is going to be executed if the condition happens to be false. So as you can see, the if and the else are aligned, and then the block of code for the else is also indented. There is no condition that we need to meet for the else. We could simply write the evaluation there. Although you can write some kind of additional expression as well. Not required. Totally depends on basically what is the requirement of the code. So then this particular block of code is going to be executed and then continues on with statements thereafter. So let's take a look at this. So let's say we have a value for age, which is 25. If age is greater than or equal to 18, it's going to print you are eligible to vote. Else, since we don't have to do an additional condition, because if it's something else, then said sorry, you are not able to vote or not eligible to vote. And that's it for this example. We're going to do a quick lab to look at how this works in actual piece of code.